Welcome to Wellness Wednesdays, where I teach you how to live a healthier lifestyle. I'm Dr. Julio, and today I want to teach you a little bit about gum disease. Let's start with the facts. Did you know that close to 80% of adults have some form of gum disease? This is a huge problem with some very serious consequences if left untreated. Therefore, I want to help you understand what it is, what the symptoms are, and how to treat it. Additionally, there are consequences if left untreated. First of all, gum disease is a bacterial infection affecting the gums and the bone that supports the teeth. The bacteria and the plaque form a sticky, colorless film that attaches to the teeth. The bacteria then release toxins that cause inflammation of the gums. Unfortunately, the signs of gum disease are not always easy to see and can be painless. This is why gum disease is often referred to as the silent disease. However subtle, symptoms do occur, and they are usually red, swollen, or tender gums, gums that bleed after brushing or flossing, persistent bad breath, pain while chewing, or loose teeth. So how do we prevent gum disease? The first step starts with you. Proper brushing and flossing is essential. The goal for you is to remove all the plaque that builds up on your teeth. Brushing alone won't do it, because the bristles of the brush can't get in between the teeth where bacteria are hiding. Therefore, flossing is essential and the only effective way to get in between all your teeth. But even if you're brushing and flossing regularly, some of the plaque buildup gets hard and turns into tartar. Tartar is like a barnacle on a boat. You can't remove it with brushing or flossing. That's why it's important to visit your dental hygienist regularly. How regularly depends on your specific needs, but I would recommend no less than 2 to 3 times a year. Remember, maintenance is the key. So what happens? We get a little lazy with our brushing. We don't floss regularly and we skip a few hygiene appointments. Well, like all diseases, when left untreated, they get worse. Gum disease advances in stages, starting with gingivitis and ending in severe periodontitis. Remember, this is a silent disease, so you could be progressing through these stages and not even be aware of it. What's worse is that there are very serious consequences that occur if left untreated. There's been a lot of research that shows that those who suffer from gum disease are at an increased risk of stroke, heart attack, oral cancer, dementia, respiratory infections, etc. Don't let your gum disease affect your general health. Start creating good habits by brushing and flossing twice a day. Schedule an appointment to visit your dental hygienist and get back on the road to wellness. That's all for today, well-doers. For more information on gum disease, you could email me or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. I'm Dr. Julio, and remember to turn your illness to wellness.
To clear up bad breath, also called halitosis, you must first know the cause. About 80% of bad breath is caused by something in the mouth. The most common form of bad breath is morning breath, which results from a buildup of bacteria in your mouth. As you sleep, saliva production decreases. Bacteria break down the food and debris sitting stagnant in your mouth. The byproduct created by this bacteria releases a foul odor we refer to as morning breath. The good news is that morning breath can be controlled. Start by brushing and flossing regularly. Be sure to brush the inside cheek and the tongue, where most bacteria accumulate. Also, drink plenty of water to encourage saliva production. If this doesn't help, your bad breath may be caused by one of the following: tobacco and foods like garlic or onions, severe dieting, or illnesses like diabetes and respiratory infection. In some cases, bad breath can be a sign of something more serious. But in most cases, bad breath is harmless.
Apple cider vinegar, honey, and weight loss. It's a proven fact that apple cider vinegar and honey can effectively help lose weight and cure illnesses. There are many people who make a smart use of their detoxifying properties and use them as home medicine for various ailments, strengthening the immune system and enhancing the body's overall functioning. That being said, there's a high chance you'll find apple cider vinegar horrible the first time you drink it, but it will start tasting better as your body turns less acid and more alkaline. The following is a list of diseases that may be cured by drinking a mixture of apple cider vinegar and honey: diabetes, obesity, constipation, acne, heartburn, high levels of cholesterol, bad breath, premature aging, sore throat, hypertension. Try this refreshing vinegar and honey drink. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a teaspoon of honey, preferably both organic and non-refined. Dissolve in a cold glass of water and drink twice a day. Lastly, remember to brush your teeth right after having this drink. The vinegar's acidity can damage tooth enamel. Again, both vinegar and honey must be organic. At first, it won't be exactly delicious, but with time, it will start tasting more and more like apple juice. This is all for now. Remember to subscribe to enjoy new videos if you haven't done so yet. See you soon.